Denzel Washington said, "At the end of the day, it's not about what you have or even what you've accomplished. It's about who you've lifted up, who you've made better. It's about what you've given back." My first group off-road event, the 2014 Women's Wheelin' Day at Roush Creek Off-Road Park in Pennsylvania, I was welcomed into a community with open arms. I was given support and encouragement from women like I've never received before. My joy for this new passion began to grow from an incredibly positive environment while I was surrounded by other women in a new sport I was starting out in. This set an amazing foundation for a love that continues today.
Okay, Kyle for sure didn't take us on this stuff.
Huh?
He didn't take us on this stuff.
You're doing great though. Do you feel good?
Yeah, I do.
Good. Follow, hey, put your tires on the rocks, pull up tight behind me. If you're unsure, stop and I'll come help you, okay?
Yep.
You are doing awesome. Rocker guards, it's not even the Jeep. Come my way a little. Okay, you're gonna drop in the front right now. You're all right.
I joined this event as a first-time woman wheeler, and little did I realize at the time, in the very near future, I would be paying it back by actively volunteering my time for this event and returning the encouragement and support to other women as a trail leader. An event with a vision of a day on the trails where women can be among their peers in a welcoming and supportive environment. This event grew from 8 women wheelers the first year in 2013 to 40 women in 2014. Eventually, in 2016, the 6th annual Women's Wheeling Day event became the largest of all women's off-road wheeling events in the United States at that time. I arrived with a mixture of emotions surging through me. It marked my 5th off-roading excursion, but my inaugural solo journey without an instructor by my side. Checking in at the office, I was excited, nervous, and eager to hit the trails. Off-roading was becoming my addiction. I was anxious to meet fellow Jeepers for the first time, wondering if I would find acceptance in this new Jeep girl community. To my surprise, the women I met were all incredibly friendly, helpful, and encouraging. They made the day so enjoyable, and I realized my fears about being accepted were completely unfounded. Right off the bat, we encountered 2 rock garden obstacles. My stock Jeep faced its trial by fire. Although these were quite intense for me, my stock Jeep navigated them with ease. What an amazing experience. I had the opportunity to meet and bond with a group of amazing women who shared my passion for off-roading. I'm still friends with so many of these women I met during these events.